Okay, so this morning I am actually working on some of my little sensory craft boxes. I have a couple orders from people. So I wanted to share with you guys like my process and how I do these, because there's such a good way of like giving somebody's kids something that is consumable and they can craft and explore and use it however they want it. Or want to. I obviously need a little bit more coffee. So I'm gonna drink my coffee while I'm working. But I thought I would share this because it is such a good idea for gifts. I mean, I buy a lot, typically am making like quite a few boxes at a time, but I wanted to share with you guys like what I use for them. I actually just go to either Michael's or Hobby Lobby and I get these craft boxes. They're just in the beaded section, and I do that. And then I get these little, I don't know, what are these called? Whatever they're called, I get those. And then I usually just buy a bunch of random stuff, and I'll share with you what's happening here. Okay, so like I was sharing before, now the first thing I do is I have a clean paper towel, and then I usually spray these down and sanitize them. It also gives them a nice smell. So like I was saying, I always get these little guys, and then I get like little bags or these kind of containers to put the little things in so that it's not like exploding in the box. I love putting like little peg people or little like puppet people and some of the popsicle sticks, even like these little peg people. That kind of stuff is always so cute. I picked up these like little wreaths, and then I have this little paper situation, and I sometimes will cut these up into little pieces of paper. Kids love that. They think it's like doll paper is what my daughter calls it. I also have like some of this grass that I use. I use beads, I use paper mache pieces. And then obviously because these are Christmas, I'm doing Christmas box, Hanukkah boxes, and then Christmas boxes. So I have a couple orders, so I'm gonna like bust through these really fast. But I usually just do like stickers, stamps, like fake snow, some other little fake snow. These little sprigs are so cute for, you know, Christmas garland looking things. We've got like Rudolph situations, some fun little pipe cleaners, like little Christmas trees. We even have some sparkly ones. And then I got some bells, some cookie cutters. These are really fun to use with Play-Doh, so I usually put a couple of those in there. I still have to pick up the Play-Doh. They didn't have the Play-Doh I like to buy at the store. And just like this random stuff. I had a leftover dreidel from another Hanukkah box I just did. And then I got these guys, you know, just like stuff like this. For the Hanukkah box, I go like wintry theme. So we go Hanukkah pieces with like snowmen. And then I also make my daughter a really fun little sensory box using this box. So I kind of have stuff placed aside for that. This is always good, the filler stuff. We've got some little ornaments, these little clips. These are great. Kids absolutely love these ball things for Christmas tree decorating. And then I got like little presents and their little ornaments to bring in that Hanukkah vibe as well. So we're gonna make this into really cute boxes, so come along with me. Clean out the boxes really well. I kind of go through and do a nice little clean. And I don't know, I just feel like it's necessary. I'm gonna pop in one of those little guys. My Hanukkah boxes first, and I usually will keep, since I'm doing an insert. So I do boxes and then I do inserts because I did have an order for 2 Hanukkah boxes that I haven't filled and then 1 insert. The insert means you get all the contents, just not the box. So I just fill up a rogue box and then I fill the bags up with what I have. For the box people, they get one of these guys, and then I'm gonna go through and fill it up as I go. Okay, the Hanukkah boxes are done. I do have to add in the Play-Doh before, but I think I'm just gonna put those in the bag. This is a good look at them. We've got some really fun little things, like I put the greenery and then a little piece of fence, and they can make like a little village to celebrate Hanukkah. These aren't fitting, so I think I'm just gonna place them like up top and then close the lid. That'll be fine. But really fun little idea. Typically write the kids' names on here with stickers. They didn't request it to be personalized, so I'm just gonna wrap this up and deliver it on Friday. All right, now let's make a Christmas box. So I got deep in it and worked on Polly and the boys' little sensory things. Sometimes the boys like to play, sometimes they don't. They're kind of growing out of this kind of stuff, but Polly loves it. So I went ahead and made it, and I know that she'll have so much fun playing with it. So in it, I just kind of basically put a random stuff. This is how she likes it. She likes it all just out like this, I have found. So I just have like some random little things here. And then we have all of our little stickers in there. In here we have ornaments and snowballs and moss and little things that she can find, kind of seek and find. And then we have this cute little scene at the bottom. And it just has a bunch of random stuff, so it's like an interactive play space. I'm gonna pull out her Play-Doh with it, and she usually just has a mat, her plastic mat, and she'll play with her Play-Doh and be playing with all this stuff. The boys will play with it too, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill up a couple of their little boxes with a couple little things in case they want to add to it or anything like that. And that's about it. So super easy. I'm gonna share with you guys the little dump and craft bags I make. Let me grab those and I'll be right back. Okay, so these are like the dump and craft bags I make. Inside, I just put a couple of the stickers, the stamps, little ornaments. I've got like a strand of Christmas tree lights, stuff like that. There's like the little wooden puppet people. And then I'm gonna add in there a thing of Play-Doh. And those are great. They're just dump and craft, and you basically just find a space and you dump all the contents out onto a table, and your kid can just go to town. They're really good. I'm gonna send these out to my little nieces and nephew.